Hey guys, this is gonna be a lesson on thermal processes, and let's start by talking about how heat is transferred. So heat transfer, as the name suggests, is how heat energy transfers between different objects at different temperatures. And there are three mechanisms. First one is conduction, when the objects are touching each other. And the second part is radiation, which is the objects are just in close proximity, they're not in contact with each other, but heat radiates through space via electromagnetic waves. So like when you are shining light on yourself, you feel warm. That's how radiation heating works. Convection heating is when particles that are hotter, like that are at a higher temperature, will change places with particles that are cooler. So convection is like moving air around in order to heat up that room.